My name is Sam, and today we're going to be looking at present perfect again, but now we're going to be looking at the word ever. So we use the word ever when we are curious or when we want to ask if somebody or someone has ever done an activity or has partaken in the activity. Okay, and what do I mean by that? Well, we can say, have you ever, okay, so have you ever, we can say, visited Mexico. So if we look at this example, it says, have you ever visited Mexico? We use the auxiliary word have because if we remember correctly, have is for you, we, they, and I. Okay, so if your subject happens to be you, we, they, and I, you're always going to use the auxiliary word have. Okay, so have you ever visited Mexico? What can be your answer? It's pretty simple. If it's positive, you can just say, yes, I have. Now, if it's negative, same thing, pretty simple. You can just say, no, I have not. Now remember, we can also use a contraction and say, haven't. So, have you ever visited Mexico? Yes, I have. Or, no, I haven't, or have not. So, remember, you want to use the auxiliary word have if you are speaking in the subject you, we, they, and I. Now, what about if we are speaking in the subject of he, she, and it, third person? He, she, it, or a first name. Do we use have? No. We would want to use the auxiliary word has. So let's make one example. Has he ever lived in Canada? Perfect. So in this question, we're curious to know if it has ever happened, right? Has he partaken in living in Canada? Has he ever done it? My answer is simple as these two. If it's positive, yes, he has. If it's negative, we want to start off with no, or negation. No, he has not. Or you can use your contraction, hasn't. And that's pretty much it. This is how you use the word ever, okay? You want to make sure that you include the correct auxiliary word. Remember, have is for I, you, we, they. Has is for third person, he, she, it, or a proper name. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment or send us an email. Thank you.